Let's put dinner in the crock pot. It's finally getting colder here in Utah, which I'm so excited about. I'm so ready for fall. So let's make a taco soup. First thing you're gonna do is brown 1 pound of ground turkey or beef, whichever you wanna use. I'm using ground beef, and then add that to your crock pot. Next, I'm gonna add a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, 1 can of chili beans with the chili sauce, don't drain them. And you can do a can of black beans. I make my own black beans. So I'm gonna add what I have left, which is about a can. And then I'm gonna do about a half a bag of corn, and then some chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and you can measure all these with your heart. Some salt, pepper, and then you can do 4 cups of chicken or beef broth. I'm just using water. And then I'm going to add a big heaping tablespoon of the Better Than Bouillon beef flavoring. And then mix all this together. And then you'll place your lid, and I will cook this on high for 4 hours, or you can do low for about 6 hours. And there we go, it is all done. I added some tortilla chips and cheese to mine. I'll put the full recipe in the description below, and then follow me for more recipes.